If your note is secured by raw land, you might be wondering, can I even sell this? The answer is yes, but it's more complicated than if you had a house. I'm Phil Gorman, and I've handled notes on raw land throughout my career. Today I'm going to tell you exactly what you're working with, why it's tougher to sell, and what you should expect. Here's the reality. Raw land notes are harder to sell than notes on residential homes. Why? Because raw land is riskier. If a borrower stops paying on a house, you can foreclose, sell the house, and recover most of what you're owed. With raw land, it's different. Raw land doesn't generate income. It's speculative. A borrower buying land is betting on future appreciation. If that appreciation doesn't happen, or if their financial situation changes, you have a problem. When you approach a buyer with a raw land note, here's what typically happens. They want to know everything about the property. Where is it located? How many acres? What's the zoning? Is it buildable or just speculative? Is there water and utilities? Has the borrower improved it in any way? The answers to these questions heavily influence whether they'll even make an offer. If it's raw, undeveloped land in the middle of nowhere, you'll have a hard time finding a buyer, or you'll get a very low offer. If it's raw land in a desirable location, close to town, good zoning potential, you'll have better luck. But even then, the discount will be steeper than for residential property. We're talking 20 to 40% or more. So what can you do to improve your odds? First, make sure your borrower is rock solid. Their credit history and payment performance matter even more with raw land. A perfect payment history can offset some of the property risk. Second, know the property inside and out. Be ready to explain its potential. Is it buildable, divisible, near future development, any unique features? The more compelling the story about the land, the better your odds. Third, work with a specialist. Not all note buyers handle raw land. Find someone who specializes in land notes. They understand the niche better. So yes, you can sell a note on raw land, but you should know up front that it's a tougher sell. The discount will likely be significant, and you'll need to work with the right buyer who understands land deals. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you're holding a raw land note and you're not sure what it's worth, reach out to me at phil@philgorman.com. I work with land note specialists and can help you figure out your options. I'm Phil Gorman. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.